Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub, and today I'm pumped to dive into the Sony 77-inch BRAVIA 8 OLED TV bundle with the BRAVIA Theater U wireless wearable TV speaker. If you're craving a cinematic home theater experience with stunning visuals and immersive sound, this bundle might just blow your mind. Let's get started. First, let's break down what makes this bundle so awesome. The Sony BRAVIA 8 OLED TV has a 77-inch 4K Ultra HD screen with over 8 million self-lit pixels for pure black contrast and vibrant colors, powered by the XR processor. It supports Dolby Vision HDR, 120Hz refresh rate, and gaming features like VRR, perfect for PlayStation 5. The Google TV interface gives you access to Netflix, Prime Video, and more with hands-free Alexa control. The screen itself acts as a speaker with Acoustic Surface Audio Plus, delivering sound that matches the action. The BRAVIA Theater U wearable speaker uses 360 Spatial Sound technology for personalized surround sound with a 12-hour battery, Bluetooth, and IPX4 splash resistance. It's lightweight, comfy, and great for movies or gaming without disturbing others. Now the pros. The TV's OLED picture is jaw-dropping. Deep blacks, vivid colors, and no blur in fast scenes making movies and games pop. The wearable speaker feels like a private theater with clear, immersive audio that's perfect for late-night viewing. The TV's Google TV platform is snappy, and the gaming features are a win for PS5 owners. The bundle is a great value for a premium setup. On the cons side, the TV is pricey, around $2,700, and doesn't get super bright in very lit rooms. The wearable speaker's setup can be a bit tricky at first, and it's not ideal for multi-person viewing since it's designed for personal use. Who's this for? If you're a movie buff, gamer, or want a top-tier home theater without a full soundbar setup, this bundle is perfect. The TV shines in darker rooms, and the wearable speaker is great for solo viewing. If you need brighter visuals or group audio, you might consider other options, but this is a stellar combo for most. Ready to level up your home theater? Click the link in the description for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's make movie nights epic.